Hello, my name is Renya. I work in the Department of English of the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. My area of interest is communication, but I don't look at speech. So what do you think I study? What do you think I look at? Gestures. I look at how we communicate with our heads, our facial expressions, and most importantly, with our hands. Let's do a little experiment with you. So can you count for me using your fingers, 1 to 10? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let me show you how I gesture, how I count with my fingers. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I probably counted in a different way from the way that you count. Didn't I? The way I was counting was the Spanish way. I am Spanish, and culturally there are differences in things like hand gestures. I bet you counted slightly differently, maybe only using one hand. Let me give you another example. So imagine you're in a restaurant in Spain and you ask the waiter to bring you the bill. How would you do that? Well, here you might do something like that. In Spain, you're more likely to do this. So what happens if you do this in a restaurant or a bar in Spain? Well, chances are they will probably bring you another round of drinks for everybody. So you see, our gestures are really important, and very often we don't teach those or we don't learn them when we're learning a second language. So this is one of the areas I look at. But there's another side to this. When we speak, most of us use our hands as well. We gesture when we speak. So why do we gesture? What is the point of those gestures? Are those gestures for you, the interlocutor, or are they for me, the speaker? Are they helping me to speak? Are they helping me to think? Can they help us to learn? So if you're interested in those questions and the answers to those questions, you might want to come to our forthcoming workshop on gestures. I hope to see you there.